Hello guys there in YouTube. Here I am, Gennaro, recording this video and highway that is supposed to be highway here called Periférico in Mexico City, and it's supposed to be a fast way, but I'm almost parked here. So I have time, and I decided, like, what am I gonna do? Right, I have a lot of time now, so I decided, why not to record a video to say hello to the people, and they're in Toronto and Canada. While I'm away, I'm enjoying the beautiful weather. People say it's cold. Okay, it's 12, 13, 14 degrees. It's not chilly yet, but it's fresh. So I'm enjoying it. That really good. The traffic jam is awful. I've been here for a while. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get rid of this and go and keep on going. Let me see if I can help to check the traffic. This is how it is. There's a second floor up there, which is supposed to be faster, and I guess it is. But you need a tag to pay there, and I don't have it. I look in the back. The back is, the way it looks is, it's creepy. So well, now that I have some time to do, or nothing to do while I wait this traffic jam to move over, I decided to record this to say hello to all my friends in Toronto. This is November the 21st of 2013. A lot of things to say of this travel, so I gotta be recording probably another video about what is this visit. Interesting things that I let you know in another video. Bye now.